goes. Feels like I waited so long for this. I wonder if it shows. Head underwater, now I can't breathe. It never felt so good, 'cause I can feel it coming over me. I wouldn't stop it if I could. Will I take over? Yeah, you know you can't deny. Will I take over? Yeah, 'cause something's here tonight. Give me a reason, I gotta know. Do you feel it too? Can't you see me here on overload? And this time I blame you. Looking out for you to hold my hand. It feels like I could fall. Now love me right, like I know you can. We could lose it all. Will I take over? Yeah, you know you can't deny. Will I take over? Yeah, 'cause something's here tonight, 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 tonight,
Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hey,
Cherry Porter,
how you doing?
Brian J.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I pull up in my whip, see this little shawty, roll down my window, just so I can talk to that girl. That girl, that girl, that girl, that girl, that girl. Her body was a hater, she said she a Libra. She had them Tego bitties, hiding in her Vita. She got some leggings on with some shades like a diva, and on top of that she hopped out her own two-seater. Damn, oh damn, if I get this girl I know I'll be the man. Like damn, oh damn, let me get your number so I can call you.
Let me take you out. Let me take you out. Baby girl, you's a cute. Baby girl, you's a cute. Baby, let me take you out. Let me take you out to a dinner and a movie. Hey, we ain't gotta go home. We ain't gotta go home. This ain't all about your booty. It ain't all about your booty. Baby, let me take you out. 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 Baby, let me
When
take
the
you
clock
out.
strikes 9, come on outside, I'ma pick you up, I'ma pick you up. We gon' have a good time, I'ma charm your ass, girl, until you get enough, until you get enough. Strumming her back with my hands in my hair. Ooh, she looking for trouble, she can find it right there. Touchy feely on the highway, headed back to my place. Now we in the driveway, now she walking in and I'm like, damn, oh damn. If I get this girl, I know I'll be the man. Like damn, oh damn. And when the night's over, we can do it again. Let me take you out.